I mean, I really consider myself to be a local, and when I thought about putting roots down, Los Angeles didn't really seem to be the place for me, and I always loved it here, and at the time there wasn't a lot of culinary scene here, so I thought it would be a good place that I could kind of make my mark, so to speak. So I thought, I'm gonna just see if I can introduce people to a more metropolitan style of dining. The small plates concept, it just didn't exist here. But all the people that live here, they travel the world. They have homes in other cities, so it's not like a completely new concept to them. It was just new here. Was I ahead of my time? No, but definitely first in line here. Everybody should have an immersion blender, especially if you've ever been to any of my classes. It's the best gadget ever in the whole world. The teacher in me wants people to try new things. And I feel like they're a little bit more willing to do that if it's a small dish and it's not their entire meal. So giving somebody a little bit of something that they might not ordinarily eat, and then they love it and they come back for it over and over again, that to me is like the most rewarding, exciting part about it. I'm keeping my goat cheese hand at bay over here. It's really hard, it really wants to help out. People really like small independent restaurants that feel like they're part of the fiber of their neighborhood, but also that portray, what it is that we're doing overall culturally in the Valley, which is introducing people to all the bounty of what we have growing here, and then also the fact that we have proximity to Los Angeles. It's really kind of like the best place to be as a chef right now because you're in the middle of everything. Not a lot of people think of La Quinta as a culinary destination, and so for me it's a huge accomplishment and a great source of pride that we've been able to change people's perception of what chefs are doing on this side of town. At the end of a really long service, a crazy day behind the line or wine dinner, the first thing I want to know is where's my glass of wine?